disappointed sound boy, turning into dead and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Them on topic. Don't play that in a distance. Sound boy, you're dead. You listen to True Love. Run the rhythm, Father. I'm going to. Yes. Look at it. Sound boy, True Love made you. Don't ask me why. You tried to test me, and now you're going to die. Cause there's no other sound. The girl that like me, and now there's no other sound. Oh, how they suffer. True love made me cry. They tried to test true love, and now they're going to die. And who's ever die? Surely die. Ooh. Never say no other word, no other word.
I don't know what I'm talking about. True love is.
Don't try to tell. Whoa. I should keep my mind. I should keep my mind.
Run it. Original. Here it is.
You'll be dancing to the champion sounds of True Love with the cushion you like Glenn Washington. And that's why I'm big up people like Tony and Fitz from day one originally get to you. The Glenn Washington, deal with it, sir.
True Love, the nicest sound around. True Love, big sound. True Love. True Love.
True Love sound is playing good music for you. Come on, let's sing and shout. True Love sound praises forever. So No many sound will try to challenge true love, the number one sound. But let some sound guy try. Only their sound always found.
Damion Black.
And there will be no cause of massive to doubt this. True love sound plays so real. Dubs on the turntable sign and see.
Yo, true love song. Drop us up.
In the whole world, now some boys, this is a warning to true love's kindness for weakness. No, no, don't take. True love's sweetness for weakness. He gets so low, don't take. True love's kindness for weakness. No, 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 no. Because it's gonna be the next one. You're the greatest sound will be true.
Alone man corner, hot stepper, love vibes, yard tour. Champion studio.
Yo, true love song. Drop us up.
Respect.
And we never forget your heart.
Pop, Mr. Phone himself.
So much love to give. So much love to give. You say you wanna challenge me. Like you can take your noisy dubs and frighten me. It's not like we don't wanna play. But every time you said we can't, we moved away. And I never believe it that it does that you play. No, it sounds so good, but if you really want to play my sound, there's things about us you just have to know. Tonight is the night, some will realize that true love sound is the champion. Tonight is the night, Symphonic will realize true love sound is the number one. Tonight is the night, some will realize undeniable that we should be together. And it's unbelievable how I used to say
Damion Black. Damion Black.
it makes it me to know if you don't know just how I feel. Let me show you now to love for me. All things in time around me. Yeah, wow, you like a dream come true too. Just wanna be with you, and now it's plain to see that you're the only sound for me. And the bar, the precepts 1, 2, 3, 5. You fall in love with me. If ever I believe my world is done, then I start back at one.
Some sound in this world gone crazy. Said some sound in this world gone mad. All because of
Damion Black.
I don't know what I'm talking about. True love international.
some sound in this world gone crazy. I said some sound in this world gone mad.
Yo, true love song. Drop us up. Tell them we're around the
That life doesn't make sense living. They lost their faith and lost the way. But Jah is always to be action.
You know me dancing to the champion sounds of true love. When it goes to you like Glenn Washington. I just want to big up people like Tony and Fitz from day one original get to you. Yo, Glenn Washington, deal with it, sir.
True love, nicest sound around. True love, big sound. True love.
No many sound will try to challenge true love, the number one sound. But let some sound guy try. Only their sound always found.
Damion Black.
And there will be no cause of massive to doubt this. True love sound plays so real. Dubs on the turntable sign and see.
Yo, true love song. Drop us up.
You know how the world now some boys, this is a warning to you. True love's kindness for weakness. No, no, don't take. True love's sweetness for weakness. He gets so bored, don't take. True love's kindness for weakness. No, 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 no. Because it's gonna be the death of you. You're the greatest sound will be true.
Alone man, Kana. Hot stepper. Hot stepper. Love vibes. Yard four. Oh boy, then. Damion studio.
Yo, true love song. Drop us up.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.